Hi guys! Today we are going to study about numbers to 10,000. Our concern today is we are going to study about counting, place value, and comparing. So prepare your book and let's go! Okay, let's open our book, the numbers to 10,000. So guys, do you still remember this one? If you put one box like this, you call each of them as ones. You put 10 boxes together, you call it as bar, and then you put 10 bars together, you call it as a plate. So over here there are 4 plates, 2 bars, and 5 ones. That's why we have 425. And number 2, if you put 10 plates together, you get 10 hundredths, or in the other way we call it as 1,000 or 1,000. Now look at question number 3. How many boxes are there? So this part now we call it as 1,000. How many thousand here? We have 1, 2. On the plate you have 1, 2, 3, 4. On the bar you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And on the ones you have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. So the number becomes 2,478. Okay, now we go to number 4. How many boxes are there? Look at over here. How many boxes here? How many cubes here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay, so first let's write down in a number one by one. We have 4, and then over here 1, 2. Oh wait, do you see any plate here? There's no plate. Because there's no plate or there's no number for the tens, we write down 0. And then for the bars, this is to describe the tens. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you write down 7, right? And then for the ones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you write down 9. So if we write down this, how much cubes over here, how much boxes over here? So we have 4,079 boxes. How if we write down in the words? Let's put it in the words. So we write down 4,000. I'm gonna make it longer, okay? 4,079. Is it clear for you guys? Okay, now look at question number 5. We need to write down this number in the words. So first, remember the 6 is the 1,000. So you write down 6,000, comma, and then the 2 is the 100. 200, comma, and then you write down, this one 5 is in the tens, right? So we write down and 50. The last number is 7. Is it clear? Next we have question C. For question B, I know you can do it, so we directly skip to question C. So the number in the 1,000 is 7, right? So we write down 7,000. And then you also have 6 in the hundreds, 600. And do you find any tens here? No, right? So you just directly go to the ones and 1. Okay, now let's go to number 6. Number 6 is the other side, the opposite of number 5. So you just need to write down the number. How to write down the number? Let's check the question first. The 1,000 is 8. So you write down 8 in the beginning. And then after 1,000, you will find 100 here. The number is 6. So you write down 6, right? Next, do you find any tens here? Yes, we have 20. So 20 is for 2, right? And then the ones is 9. That's why the number for this question is 8,629. Okay, now let's go to question B. Question B. For 1,000, oh, the 1,000 is 4, right? The 1,000 is 4. Okay, do you find 100? Yes, the number is 7. Very nice. Next, do you find the tens? Yes. What is it? 30. If it's 30 for the tens, we write down 3. My question is, do you have any ones here? No, because you don't have any ones, you write down 0. I believe you can do question C and D. Okay, I will give you a clue. 5,084. Do you have the number 4,000? Yes, it's 5. But, is there any number for 100? No, right? Because there's no number for 100, you write down 0. And then, do you find the number for the tens? Yes, it's 80. It means on the tens, you write down 8. And then for the ones, you write down 4. So the number that you get is 5084. Do you guys understand? Now let's go to the next question. On the next question here, now we will do count by ones. What is the meaning count by ones? It means you just add one more on the ones. I repeat, you just add one more on the ones. For example, question number 9. Look at this one, 1,342. The next one, 1,343. The next one, 1,344. So, what number is changing? The changing part is only on the ones. Why it's changing? Because we add one more. So, the next number is 1,345. Get it? How about the next? You add one more on the ones. 1,346. Good. Next, we add one more for the ones. 1,347. Is it clear? Okay, question D, I believe you can do it. So now let's go to question C. Question C, look at the number in the front first. 3,497. Next, 3,498. 3,499. So it means if you add one more, 1 plus 9 is 0, 10, right? Another one, it goes to the front, you add with this 9, it becomes 10. The 1 becomes 100, goes to the top of the 4. So it's gonna be 5. So the 1,000 is still 3. Okay, next we count it, we add one more. So 3,501. The next number is 3,502. I believe you understand it. Next, we go to question number 10. Oh, now we go to the harder level. What is that? We need to count by tens. What is the meaning of counting by tens? You need to add 10 more. In this example, you need, look at this question. 1,200, you add 10, and it's gonna be 1,210. Now, let's go to question number 11. 3,840, next 3,850, next 3,860. So over here, you just add 10 more, right? So 3,800. Yes, correct. 70. Good. Next, this one. It's gonna be 3,800. Yes, 80. Next, this one. It's gonna be 3,890. Very good. Okay. Next question. We go to question number B. Letter B, sorry. 6,161. The next one is 6,171. 6,181. So, over here, we will write down 6,100. Add 1 more to the 10. So, after 8, it's gonna be 9. Good. Next. Oh, this one, you need to add 10 more. If you add 10 more, this 9 will be 0, right? Why? Because it's 10. You keep the 0, you put the 1 above the hundreds, and the hundreds will be 2. Okay, so this one gonna be 6,201. Okay, now this one you just add 10 more. So it's gonna be 6,211. Is it clear? Okay. Now, after we count by tens, we need to count by hundreds. If you count by 100, you just add 100 more. Or the simplest way is, if you look at the hundreds, the number in the hundreds, you just need to add 1. Over here, you see 2,450, and then you add 1 to the hundreds, it becomes 2,550. That's the same like you're adding 100 to 2,450. Now, let's go to question 13a. On this question, check first, 5,345, 5,445, 5,545. Okay, look at this, the number on the hundreds, 3, 4, 5. So over here you have 6. Very good. Now, look at the number on the hundreds again, 3, 4, 5, 6. So over here, you write down, yes, 7. Very nice. How about this? So after 7, you write down 5,845. Now let's go to question B. Okay, let's check again the number here. 8,670, 8,770, 8,870. Okay, look at the number in the hundreds. 6, 7, 8. So over here, 8,970. Oh my God, Miss, how about the next one? Oh, you need to add 100, right? So 1 plus 9, it means 10. So you write down. How about the 70? 70, you just write down as usual. And then 9 plus 1 is 10. 0. The 1, you put above the 10, so it's gonna be 9, right? So you get 9,070. And then the next one, you just add 100 more, and it's gonna be 9,170. Very good. Now let's go to the next page. On the next page, you need to count by 1,000. Oh my God, it's getting harder. Okay, look at the number here. If you check 6,206, it's gonna be 7,206, right? So you just need to add 1,000, or look at the number in the 1,000. The number for over here, you just need to add it with 1. So 6 becomes 7, right? Now let's check question 15a. 4,792, and then it goes to 5,792, 6,792. If you guys check the number, actually the number on the ones, on the tens, and on the 100 is not changing at all, right? If you see, the number is the same. It's not changing. Which one is different? It's only the 1,000. Okay, so over here 4, 5, 6. Of course, over here you will have 7,792. And then over here you will have, after 7, 8,792. And the next one you will have 9,792. Is it easy, guys? Okay, now let's check question B. Do you see the number in the 1,000 for the first one? No, right? Because it's only 287. But the second number is 1,287. Oh, it's just started, right? Over here is 1, and then over here, 2,287, it's 2. The 1,000 is 2. So, the answer for the first blank is 1, 2, so over here, 3. The rest of the number is the same, right? So after 3,200, okay, you will have, okay, wait a minute, you will have 4,287. How about this? 5,287. Is it easy, guys? Yes, of course. Now question C. Question C, look at this one. 90. Oh, do you find any thousand here? No, it's not. It's not there, right? But the second number, 1090. Oh, it's just started. 1 here. And then 2090, 2, right? So after that, the number in the thousand is 3. And then on the 100 is 0. Tens is 9. And ones is 0. The next one. After 3000, it must be 4090. And then the last one, it must be 5090. Is it clear, guys? Okay.